Let knowledge flow like a river, without any hindrance. Don't make it like a stagnant pool. Hi everyone. I'm PS Chatterjee. Welcome back to our Excel for Intermediate series. Title of today's video, Date and Time Functions in Excel. In this session, we're diving into the world of date and time functions. These powerful tools allow you to manipulate and analyze dates and times within your spreadsheets, making your data analysis more efficient and insightful. We'll explore a range of functions, including Excel function, today, returns the current date. Excel function, now, returns the current date and time. Excel function, year, extracts the year from a date. Excel function, month, extracts the month from a date. Excel function, day, extracts the day from a date. Excel function, DATEDIF, calculates the difference between two dates in years, months, or days. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently work with dates and times in Excel, unlocking new possibilities for your data analysis. So, let's get started. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips that can simplify your work. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or requests for future video. Let's start with a simple but powerful function, today. As the name suggests, it returns the current date. Syntax of today function, equals today, into any cell. Now I am typing equals today, into the cell B3 and press enter, and you'll see the current date displayed. Friday, 1st November, 2024. Now let's explore another powerful Excel function, now. As the name implies, it returns the current date and time. Syntax of now function, equals now, into any cell. To use it, simply type equals now, into any cell and press enter. Now I am typing equals now, into the cell B4 and press enter, and you'll see the current date and time displayed. As you can see, the now function instantly displays the current date and time. November 1st, 24, and current time. These functions are incredibly useful for a variety of tasks, such as time-stamping documents, automatically add the current date and time to documents, ensuring accurate records. Tracking project timelines, monitor project progress by recording start and end times for specific tasks. Calculating elapsed time, determine the duration between two events or tasks. Creating dynamic timestamps, automatically update the time and date in a cell. Let's explore another powerful Excel function, DATEDIF. This function is specifically designed to calculate the difference between two dates. The syntax for the DATEDIF function is, equals DATEDIF, start_date, end_date, unit. Here, start_date, the earlier date. End_date, the later date. Unit, the unit of measurement for the difference. You can use Y for years, M for months, D for days. Here I have used days. Let's say we want to calculate the number of days between January 1st, 2023, and December 31st, 2023. We can use the following formula. This formula will return the number of days between the two dates. Now you are watching a text, syntax_01 equals DATEDIF, 2023-01-01, 2023-1231, D. Now I am deleting the text syntax_01, and by entering, we are getting our result equals to 364 days. In our next syntax I am going to use Excel function today along with DATEDIF. Let's explore Excel functions, DATEDIF with today. We can also use the today function to calculate the difference between a specific date and today's date. For example, now you are watching syntax_02 equals DATEDIF, 2023-01-01, today, D. This formula will calculate the number of days from January 1st, 2023, to today. Now I am deleting the text syntax_02, and by entering, we are getting our result equals to 670 days. In the next part of this video, we'll dive deeper into the DATEDIF function and see how we can use cell references to make our calculations even more dynamic and efficient. In this part of the video, we'll demonstrate how to use a single cell reference for our starting date, combined with the today function, to calculate the elapsed time. You can also use cell references to make your formulas more flexible. For instance, if you have a data as a date in cell B9, you can use this. In cell B9 you are watching a date, 31st October, 2023. And today is 1st November, 2024. Now you are watching, syntax_03 equals DATEDIF, B9, today, D. Now I am deleting the text syntax_03, and by entering, we are getting our result equals to 367 days. By changing the date in cell B9, the formula will automatically recalculate the difference. Say I am typing 21 in the place of 31, look, we are getting a result, 377. Next, we'll explore how to use double cell references for both the starting and ending dates to calculate the time difference between them. You can also use cell references for both the preceding and succeeding dates. For instance, if you have a date in cell B13, example January 1st, 2023, and a date in cell C13, example January 11th, 2024, you can use the following formula. Now you are watching, syntax_04 equals DATEDIF, B13, C13, D. Now I am deleting the text syntax_04, and by entering, we are getting our result equals to 375 days. By changing the date in cell B13 and C13, the formula will automatically recalculate the difference. The DATEDIF function is highly versatile and can be used to calculate differences in years, months, and days. By adjusting the unit parameter, you can obtain the desired result. DATEDIF is a valuable tool for a wide range of applications, including age calculations, determine someone's age based on their birth date. Service length calculations, calculate the duration of employment or membership. Project duration calculations, estimate the time required to complete a project. Financial analysis, analyze historical data to identify trends and patterns. By mastering the DATEDIF function, you can significantly enhance your Excel skills and streamline your data analysis tasks. In the next part of this video, we'll spin the wheel of Excel functions and explore 3 powerful tools: year, month, and day. Now let's explore 3 powerful Excel functions: year, month, and day. These functions are used to extract specific parts of a date stored as a serial number. What is a serial number? Before we dive into these functions, let's understand the concept of a serial number. In Excel, dates are stored as serial numbers, where each number represents a specific date. For example, January 1st, 1900, is represented as serial number 1. Extracting year, month, and day. Now, let's see how we can use the year, month, and day functions to extract specific parts of a date. Year function. The year function returns the year from a date. Here, in cell C2 we are watching a date of birth of Mr. XXX, is 21st October, 1985. If we type the formula in cell C3, equals year, C2, will return the year part of that date in cell C3 and this value is 1985. Month function. The month function returns the month from a date. Similarly, if we type the formula in cell C4, equals month, C2, will return the month part of the date in cell C4 and this value is 10. Day function. The day function returns the day of the month from a date. Now I have typed the formula in cell C5, equals day, C2, will return the day of the month from the date in cell C5, and this value is 21. Practical applications. These functions are incredibly useful for various data analysis tasks, such as age calculation. Calculate a person's age based on their birth date. Date formatting. Extract specific parts of a date to create custom date formats. Conditional formatting. Apply conditional formatting rules based on specific dates or time periods. Data filtering. Filter data based on specific years, months, or days. Thanks for watching this video on Excel's date and time functions. By mastering these functions, you'll be able to efficiently manipulate and analyze date-related data in your spreadsheets. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials to supercharge your productivity. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Happy excelling!